Hi, sixth grade. Here's everything we're doing in science class today. The first thing we're going to do is a connecting activity not related to science. We're going to start doing this every Tuesday. We are going to put you into a breakout room with one other person, and you are going to find two things about them. And you're going to put it in this Google Doc. It's all shared, and then you'll be matched with another person every week. After we do that, we're going to start our weather unit. And we're going to do a pre-test. Don't worry, it's not going to be in the grade book. We just want to see what you know about weather. And then we're going to look at extreme weather events. And then I have a Padlet connector. You're going to share a time you experience beautiful, scary, or dangerous weather. So here we go. The first thing you're going to do in Schoology is click on Unit 4 Weather, and then go here, Unit 4 Weather Progress Monitoring. Go ahead and open that document. You need your own copy of that, and it's going to look something like this. This document has everything that we're going to learn, and it has a pre-assessment reflection. We're going to have 3 different parts to the weather unit, and here are the essential questions for each unit. We're going to have 3 quizzes in this section, and you have a space to put your quiz score and reflect on that quiz score. And then after we take the post-assessment, the test for this unit, you're going to fill this in. So what you're going to do, look at the top section. We're going to take the pre-test. I want to see what you know. What you're going to do is, in Schoology, you're going to click the step 1, it says pre-test in today's folder. You're going to take that pre-assessment. When you're done, don't close your screen. It's going to show you your score and then what you got right and what you got wrong. Using that screen, you're going to fill in your score, the percentage you got correct, what are 3 things you learned, and use that screen. What did you get correct? What did you get incorrect? Read it over, and what did you learn? 3 specific things. And then 2 things that you already knew. Maybe these are questions that you got correct, concepts. Oh, I already knew the types of clouds, or I already knew what air pressure is. Okay, so 2 things you already know. When you're done with that, we're next going to look at some cool weather events. This is listed under step 2 in Schoology. And then after that, step 3, this is the last step, you're going to go to this Padlet and share a time when you experience scary, beautiful, or dangerous weather. And that's it for today. Everything you need is on Schoology. This presentation is also on Schoology.